Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to approach kissing with respect and consent. Before any physical intimacy, always ensure your partner gives enthusiastic consent. Open communication is key to building trust and ensuring a comfortable experience for everyone. Pay close attention to nonverbal cues. They often tell you more than words. Remember, a good kiss starts with mutual respect and understanding. Creating the right atmosphere is crucial for a memorable kiss. Choose a private and comfortable setting where both of you can relax and feel at ease. Good personal hygiene, like fresh breath, makes a big difference. Before leaning in, make gentle eye contact and offer a genuine smile to convey warmth and interest. These small steps set the stage for a wonderful connection. When it comes to the actual kiss, start gently with soft lips, gradually increasing pressure and intensity as you both feel comfortable. Don't be afraid to vary your movements. Incorporate light pecks, gentle nibbles, and deeper kisses. Using your hands to gently cup their face or run through their hair can add a wonderful layer of connection. Remember, it's about mutual enjoyment. After the kiss, it's a great idea to check in with your partner. Ask if they felt comfortable and if they enjoyed the moment. Sharing your own feelings and preferences helps foster open and honest dialogue, which is incredibly valuable. Every interaction is a chance to learn and grow together, strengthening your bond for future experiences. Communication is always key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.